Good morning or good afternoon, I guess. Hey y'all, it's Angel and welcome back to the Chan. Hey y'all, it's Angel. Welcome back to the Chan. Yeah. Oh, look at that smile. Look at that. Hey. Anyways, today. Oh, I literally tripped over my bag. That didn't just happen. Today is Sunday, September 25th, and it's 2:10. And this is basically the start to my day because, so basically, my aunt had like an occasion, and I'm African, so you know my parties be lasting all night. And so I didn't get home till like 2 or 3 a.m., which is honestly not even that bad because I've been to occasions that lasted way longer. And then my cousin took me to her house, and I spent the night there. She dropped me home around like 11. And so this morning I showered and then went downstairs and I was like playing with my siblings for a little bit. So it's been a really fun morning, but today is just going to be, I don't even know what today is. I think it's just gonna be like a Sunday in my life kind of video. I'm just gonna like vlog and take you around my day. Yeah, I feel like the lighting is so bad. I feel like I need my ring light. Okay, I just turned the ring light on. I don't know if it made the lighting any better, but yeah. I have a lot of things I have to do today. First things first, I gotta clean my room because it is getting to the point where if I do not take action, it will just be getting worse and worse. So I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek of how it looks like. I really don't want to, but I'm gonna show you. Okay, that's enough. Y'all have seen enough. It's messy. Like, it's not that messy. Like, my room is not like, so yeah, I'm gonna clean my room and I don't know how I'm gonna vlog it, but enjoy me cleaning my room. Also, how come the whole time I'm such a bad vlogger? Like, when I'm vlogging, I'm like this. Like, hey guys, welcome to my channel. Like, you don't want to see my freaking lip. Sorry, I need to start showing my face, but I just need to start vlogging more because all my videos on my channel are just like sit down videos. So I was like, let me pick up a camera and actually vlog. We're gonna clean my room. I know that you're drunk. Yeah. Oh my gosh, bro, I can't set this freaking camera down without it falling. I'm going to watch something on YouTube while cleaning my room. Let's figure out what I'm gonna watch. You know what I love watching? Cleaning, I love watching the hour-long like P.O. box unboxing videos. Those are just so fun to watch. I don't know why. I just love watching like what I got for Christmas, what I got for my birthday, and then like P.O. box unboxing is just so much more fun because it's like from brands and it's just like, I love it. I just love it. I started this one. This is frick. What is going on? This is Adeline Warren's P.O. box 45-minute P.O. box unboxing video. So I think I'm gonna watch this while I'm cleaning my room and enjoy the time lapse. Low-key getting kind of cold in here. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. First things first, let me get that in. Okay guys, so I just put my laundry into different piles. Let me show you. So this is the colored and black pile, and then this is the white pile, and it has like nothing because I didn't wear like any white clothing this week. So I'm gonna go downstairs now and I'm going to put them in the wash. Guys, I don't have a laundry basket right now. Well, I do, but I just don't know where it is. So this is literally what I do when I take my clothing downstairs. So basically I use this sweatshirt, and this sweatshirt is always in the wash because I literally wear it all the time to bed because it's so big and so comfortable. I just take this sweatshirt and I open it up like this, and then I take my clothing and I put it in there. So I just take all the clothing and I put it on top, and then I try my best to use the arms of the sweatshirt. I use the arms of the sweatshirt and I just tie everything like this together. Here we go. So I just do this and then we have our little DIY basket. Everything's falling out. Secured the goods. Okay, so I put my clothes in the washing machine, but then I realized that we're out of soap. We're out of soap, and I mean laundry detergent. We're out of laundry detergent, and I kind of need that to wash my clothing, so it's gonna be in there, and I'm gonna go ask my mom if she can take me to the store and we can buy laundry detergent. And there's a few things that I want to pick up from the store anyways, so hopefully she says yes, because I really want to go to Myers or like Target, and I want to get this mascara thing, and then I can just like vlog at the store. So okay, so I just asked my mom and she said we can go to Myers, and yeah, I'm really happy because I have some stuff that I need to get. Bro, where's my wallet? Okay, got it.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up? Or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time.
On my way to Myers.
Party, I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh, no.
Look at your mouth. Is it blue? Yes. Okay guys, so I'm in the Myers makeup section. I'm so mad because all I wanted to get was the Lash Princess mascara, and it's not even here. There's a lady with a dog and she just walked past, and that was kind of awkward. But all I wanted to get was the Lash Princess mascara, and it's not even here. Like, it's all sold out. Like, when I tell you, like, look. All of the Lash Princess mascara sold out besides this. I don't even know what that is. It's more expensive. I don't know what that is, but I really, really wanted it. Like, that's the main reason why I came here. And I'm so sad that I can't get it. I'm just gonna look around and maybe I'll find something else that I want. So let me show you the fit. I changed a little, so actually no, I didn't really, but actually yeah, I did. But I'm still wearing this blue tank top that I was wearing, and I just threw on this jean jacket, this long jean and shorts, and then I just have my slides on, and that's the fit. Also, I hope you guys can hear me because it's kind of loud in here, but I'm gonna see if there's any way that I can go to Target to get the Lash Princess mascara, because I really, really want it, you guys. Like, I might just order on Amazon. We're gonna go to like the hygiene section because I've been wanting to get some more hygiene stuff. I've seen this a lot, but this is definitely not for my hair type. But I just think the packaging is so cute. Like, it's definitely not for my hair type. I've also heard so many good things about like this, what's the brand called? It's this packaging, but these like shampoo and conditioners, I've heard so many good things about them. And yeah, so I have to figure out if this is even for my hair type, or like which one's the best for my hair type if I decide to use it. But I definitely want to try out some more hair products. So Method Body, this has been around for a hot minute. Right now they only have the citrus orange one, but the one I wanted to get was the green one, but they don't have it, so I'm just gonna have to wait till the next time I come here to pick it up. Also, there are so many people staring at me, but I'm trying to just not get embarrassed or whatever, because I'm never gonna see these people again. So yeah. Also, this native, sorry, this camera angle is just great, but you know what, this native body wash, I've heard so many good things about this too. This one smells, ooh, wait, this one it smells a lot like coconut. That is definitely coconut. And then this is the one that I think I smelled last time and I really wanted to get. That cucumber and mint. It smells so good. And I'm gonna wait till there's more colors in the Method Body one. The soap that I currently use are these like Dove soaps. I've been using Dove soaps ever since birth, and I just love them. So yeah, but I think I want to try this one because I've heard so many good things about the gentle exfoliating one. Also, these Dove body polishes, I've heard so many good things about them. I'm gonna smell this one. This smells really nice. Yeah, that smells good too. Actually, no, this does not smell as good, but it does smell good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I want this. I actually want this. I've heard so many good things about this. Hold on. There's only one more coffee flavor left, bro. Oh my god, it smells so good. Here are the Tree Hut sugar scrubs. The one that I had, where is it? I don't think the one I have is here. I used was here. It works really well and I like it a lot. But I think I want to try the Dove body polish or the coffee one that I showed you. This one. The next time that I decide to buy like a scrub. I found some flowers. When I finally do a room transformation, I really want one of these crystal salt lamps in my room. Bro, I did not know Mott's had apple cider. Apple cider is actually my favorite thing in the fall. To drink in the fall, I meant. Besides like pumpkin spice lattes and stuff. I think I'm so excited. Like fall is my favorite season ever.
All you gotta do is say yes. Don't deny what you feel, baby. Undress you, baby. Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so. All you gotta do is say yes. Don't deny what you feel, baby. Undress you, baby. Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so, 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 so. You make me so, 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 so.
Hey y'all, we're back home. We got the laundry detergent and now we're gonna go finish my laundry. Hey guys, so let me check the closet real quick. Anyways, so I just came back from Myers and I didn't really get anything like that I wanted to get. Like I was showing you all these like hygiene stuff, and I will probably get that the next time I go to Myers just because a lot of things I wanted were sold out and I'd rather just get everything at once. Like the mascara was sold out. There are a couple of like body washes, like the Method Body one that I want, that's sold out. Just so many things are sold out. So I just got some stuff that I like really needed, and actually I'm gonna go downstairs and grab it for you and I'll do a little haul of the few things that I got. Hey guys, a haul of everything that I got from Myers. Things that I got are for my game day bags. Hey guys, so I didn't do a really good job explaining what a game day bag is, so that's why I'm doing this video. But basically, if your school doesn't do game day bags, I play soccer and everyone on our team is divided into little groups or families. Every like game or every like other games or whatever, you take turns alternating people in your family. That's a bus, but and you have to make game day bags for them, so you just fill them up with their favorite snacks, candy, drinks. So I decided to just get the next 3 games out of the way and buy all my stuff for the game day bags for the next 3 people. So I'm just explaining everything that I got. Game day bag that I have this Thursday, I got her this red Gatorade. She said in the group chat that her favorite Gatorade flavor is red. I got her this Sour Patch Kids. I got everyone like basically the exact same thing. And then I got her Goldfish. And then I have this pack of 3 gums. And I'm just gonna take one out and put it in her bag. And then for the bags I'll have after her, I just got the same thing, but they have blue Gatorade instead of red. So blue Gatorade, Goldfish, Sour Patch Kids. Gosh, guys, look at this. This is how everything looks. So good. And I don't know what I'm gonna do about the bags because gift bags at Myers, I should have just like gone to like Dollar Tree or something. Gift bags at Myers are freaking like $5 each. I'm not spending $5 on a gift bag that they're gonna throw away. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might just honestly just put them in the Myers bag because honestly the bag shouldn't really matter. Oh, is that for me? Wait, can you pass it to me? I wanna show the vlog. Thank you. These are the hair, skin, and nail gummies. There's like a thing where it was like buy one, get one free. So my mom gave me one. Why is this open? Why'd you give me it? Ariana! Oh, okay, I was gonna say. Okay, my mom ate some because I was gonna say, I know she did not buy it open. The next time I do go to Myers and they actually have mascara, which I might have to order online on Amazon, but the next time I do go to Myers and have mascara and the scrubs and stuff that I want, I will hopefully film it. I'm trying to become more of a consistent YouTuber now. I keep saying that and then I'll go for months without posting. That's everything I got from Myers. I'm gonna put everything back in the bag and then I still have some cleaning to do. I'm gonna put these stuff all back inside of the bags and then we'll get on to the next step. Guys, what if we got into a fight? Who would win? Okay, let's actually clean my room now.
Okay, this is actually a gift for someone.
There are times when I fall short. What I say all about. You all alone. You're a positive, motivating force within my life. Should you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know.
Okay, so I just folded a few of my clothing that needed to be folded. Adeline's PR box video is still on. It's like 45 minutes long, but I have like 4 minutes left of the video. Okay guys, I cleaned most of my room, got done what I needed to get done. So this is kind of like an overview of how it looks now. It's a lot more cleaner. So basically it was that corner of my room that was extremely messy, clothing everywhere. So I cleaned it all up. And I'm pretty sure my laundry that's in the washer needs to be transferred to the dryer. So I'm gonna go do that and then we're gonna clean up my closet. Hey guys, I bet it looks so messy right now. Oh my gosh, I accidentally took a screenshot. Just know that screenshot was so cute. I went downstairs and I put my clothes in the dryer and then I also had dinner because I was really hungry and I had a really good dinner. So now we're gonna tackle the closet and I wanna finish organizing and getting everything together by 8 o'clock. Also, it's like golden hour right now, kind of. I'm gonna show you a little bit before and after my closet. So this is my closet before. Random stuff, random clothes. The shoes down here are all like terrible and disgusting. So this is my side of the closet. And so. I want all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let you in this club.
Hey guys, so I finished cleaning up my closet. So this is the after. Okay, the shoes are a lot more organized. The clothing. Here, I just put up a few like tops that could fit up here. And then I still have some shoes that I need to add here. Yeah, so the closet is all complete now. I have this small dress over here that I just put undergarments in. So I'm just gonna off camera clean that drawer and then I'll get back to you with the next thing. Okay guys, I just finished cleaning the undergarment drawer. Everything is in the dryer right now, so I'm waiting for my clothes in the dryer to be done so I can put it away and get ready for bed. Hey guys, so it's been about a week since I filmed me cleaning my room. And let's just say, we're back to square one. Part 2? See you guys in the next. Bye guys, love you.
I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night.